Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm going to talk to you about unleash your inner creativity with Mini Explorer Voice Changer. And this, product have video or voice magic. Transform your voice with 4 thrilling voice changing models: alien, ghost, monsters, and robots. Plus, a standard mic mode for regular amplification. Unleash endless fun and creativity. And they have charge and play. Say goodbye to the hassle of buying batteries. With the voice FX, simply plug in and recharge using the included USB cable for endless hours of fun. And they have volume and echo control. Customize your sound experience with adjustable volume and echo controls. You have the power to fine tune your voice to a perfection, and they are loud and clear. Not only does it change your voice, but it also amplifies it. Perfect for playful announcement, little performance, or just being the life of the party. And they have glow and show, speak with and watch as a vibrant, colorful lights light up, and adding an extra layer of excitement to your voice changing adventure. It's very handy and tangible, and they are perfect gift to young kids, shaped like a delightful megaphone in bright colors. And you will find this product in the description below if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.